kasi wala pang 10 p.m. Pero all jokes aside, guys, I just want to say first things first. Welcome to the After the Sunsets Cafe Tour. Ay, can you guys hear me? Yeah. Well, welcome to the After the Sunsets Cafe Tour. Ito yung first leg natin. And I guess this is my first time actually going on a cafe tour. So, please palakpakan nyo naman yung mga sarili nyo. Kasi, milestone to para sa akin at para sa akin. And I think I really decided to go on this tour kasi nakikita ko lahat ng mga engagement nyo online sa aking mga hashtag mga Jada Jams. Familiar ba kayo dyan? And I thought, why not take it on the road? Kasi ako more than anything, aside from making, music from the studio and shooting content for you guys, ang pinakagusto ko ay makita ko kayo sa personal and to see you guys reacting live sa aking music and to covers that I make. So, ayun lang naman. And, lately I've been so busy at the beginning of this year. Ang dami kong ginagawa. Ang dami kong pinagkakabalahan. Like, a certain show called Project Loki. The what? Secret? Hindi, pero, speaking of that, I had the opportunity to be able to write for the soundtrack of Project Loki. And this next song that I'm about to perform for you guys is my first time ever performing this song live in front of an audience. So, kayo yung pinakaunang makakarinig nito. And, this song is really special to me because I wrote it about yung feeling na pag umabot kayo sa isang punto sa isang relasyon na pareho niyong alam na tapos na pero takot kayo pareho aminin yun sa mga sarili niyo. Bigyan ng jacket yan. And ayun, I wanted to write about that feeling. And yung thought na pumasok sa isip ko is lahat tayo dumadaan doon sa pagkakataon na yun na papaisip tayo sinong bibitaw ng huling linya para tapusin yung relasyon. Kaya naman, this song is called Linya.
Dati